AI is amazing for DevOps, but here's the truth. It's not always the best at troubleshooting. In fact, relying on AI blindly can slow you down. Today, I'll just show a real-world issue where AI failed me, and why sometimes just Googling is an essential tool for an engineer. This isn't the first time this happened. In fact, anytime I face very complex issues, I find that troubleshooting with AI doesn't work. Just a few weeks ago, I started creating a project to deploy Splunk on Kubernetes. And I ran into an issue where the Splunk ports were not able to spin up. Basically, the Helm chart was written to use standalone to spin up new pods. I brainstormed so many times with AI, but it just didn't work. Then I decided to do it the old way. Read actual documentation, and after a few days, I cracked the code. Today I ran into another issue where AI failed. Basically, I have a Kubernetes cluster running on Amazon. I also configured the correct AWS credentials with the access key and secret key to connect to the cluster. But for some reason, I keep getting this error. Could not connect to the server. You must be logged into the server. So what did I do? I used AI to solve this simple issue. For almost 24 hours, AI still couldn't help me. Just generic advice like disabling firewall and stuff. Well, here's the proof. I also used ChatGPT, everyone's favorite, but none of them gave me quite the solution I needed, until I remembered how I solved the Splunk issue that I had a few weeks ago. Normal Google search. And then I took my time to actually read through documentation and found this. Basically, my problem was simple. I needed to add the AWS user under the Access tab in the EKS Kubernetes cluster. Right here. And after that, I'm able to actually hit the cluster. Of course, I still have a few issues to resolve. But the point here is, AI wasn't intelligent enough to help me. So here's the deal. Current AI is still a great tool, but it's not perfect. When troubleshooting, you should always validate its answers and combine AI with Google searches, documentation, and real-world experience. That's how you become an expert, not just a button presser. By the way, shameless plug, I'm creating a complete DevOps project to take you from zero to hero, which should come out sometime in November. But in the meantime, check in the link in the description for all my previous courses and my latest resources. See you in the next video, and make sure to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.